Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 3921, score validator of LeetCode. So this is very simple question and it came in the LeetCode weekly contest as well. So first let's read the question. You are given a string array events. Okay. Initially score equal to 0 and counter equal to 0. Each element in events is one of the following: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Add that value to the total score. W, increase the counter by 1, no score is added. WD, add 1 to the total score, and same for the NB. Process the array from left to right, stop processing when either all elements in event have been processed or the counter becomes 10. Return an integer array score, counter, where score is the final total score and counter is the final counter value. So you can think this as a cricket match also, where events are the runs, no balls, wickets or wide. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The runs, W is the wicket, WD is wide, that's why we are adding 1 to the score, and NB is no ball. And that's why when the W, which will increase the counter, goes to 10, as a 10 players in match, it will end the events and the match will end. So let's first create the two counter, the two integer which we have been given. Int counter equal to 0 and score, and then we run a for loop in the events. Now when do we have to break the array? When the counter is 10, we will break the array, else if st is greater than equal to 0 and it's between 0 and 6, we will increase that particular number to the score. So we will use method string to integer to convert this. Else if it's W, we increase the counter. If it's no ball or if it's wide, we increase the score by 1. Alright, now let's return the array in which first will be the score and the second is counter. As you can see, all our 3 test cases have been passed. Now let's submit our answer. Now let's submit again. So as you can see, the runtime can be random. First time I submitted, I got 0 millisecond, then 3, then 4. So yeah. So the time complexity of this question is, the code is O of n as one for loop is run, and space complexity of O of 1 as only few variables which you have to return have been taken. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.